GraphWorx viewer in runtime mode can display date and time in different ways. Each pen can have its own date and time. Double-clicking on a GraphWorx viewer, we can select the pen, and under the General tab, we have the possibility to select which time zone we like. Time zone can be pre-configured, therefore we can select which one we like, but can also be related to a dynamic value, so that it can change dynamically. This can also be configured within the chart configuration. Under data, we can decide if we want to display the entire chart inheriting from each single pen x-axis or not. Therefore, we will select it manually. We can also decide if we want to show samples using the UTC timestamps that will be converted to it, or if we want to have every single sample be aligned to a specific time zone that we are at the moment into. Time range can also be set from the Range tab of each chart. We can set, like in this example, to be visualizing 20 minutes. Now, if we go in runtime mode, you'll see that we are going to display entirely 20 minutes. Now, going back in configuration mode, there is also an option to set this up to be automatic. Under range, we have the possibility, but only when we are in runtime mode and the chart is frozen, to manually read or write the range from a specific data source. Right now I don't have it. I will browse for a range. Now I have created this variable and I select it. Now if I go in runtime mode, we will see that the chart is frozen, as you can see, and is showing me 20 minutes. Now, if I change this directly to be less than 20 minutes, for example, like 10 minutes, this will automatically change, as you can see below. I can change it to less than 10 minutes. I can change it to 5 minutes. So every change I want, this will be automatically taken from the data variable. Using a local variable for data source gives the best performance. However, this limits the range data to a scope of a parent. If needed, users can synchronize time ranges across different processes, so long as they define an external string data source. Of course, this must be a string type.